Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically play BuzzFeed quizzes with your friends. So go to quizzes, select any quiz that you want, maybe this one. Select the BuzzFeed quiz party and select check it out. First you're going to enter your name. I'm just going to randomly type it because there's like other names that I don't want you to see. Select next. Then you're going to copy invite link or select invite Quizzy. I'm just going to invite Quizzy so I can show you. Then I'm going to select start the party. 3, 2, 1. First choose a venue. I'm just going to choose the... I don't know. The park. I don't know what I'm going to wear. Maybe this dress. Okay, 6 layers. I'm just going to randomly pick some stuff. This one looks cute, but I don't know, whatever. Let's go this one, and then pink, and then a lot. Honeymoon destination, let's choose Japan. Let's do that one, and then done with quiz. And then you'll be able to see the results at the end. Oh, what? Well, obviously the bot got the same one, but that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.